We can't film it here?
No.
Run it up.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do another video. It's going to be Nerf in Walmart. We got everybody over here. That's everybody. Alright, we're good. Let's go.
I'm placing bed right now. He's sick.
Hey, don't say that.
You won't need a gun. Do you want a gun?
9.
You got some? Is that the one that you're going to keep?
I don't know, it could be, but it's probably massive. I don't know how you don't like
Oh, Jesus.
shots fired, shots fired. Anybody have like pants that can hold this?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah, you're on your own.
Okay, I'm just not gonna use it.
Yeah, don't use it.
Mine's tight for me.
It's way too big.
Probably this big.
Damn, look at that hygiene. Oh my god.
Round 1.
Oh,
Fight!
yeah. Look at the hygiene here. Hey, don't put the camera down.
Hey, chill, look at
Shooting.
That's your gun, bro.
Shooting.
It's not shit. What the? Yo, what happened? Hey, boy. Oh! I got that. I got it.
You're quick on the draw, though. Ow, my nickel. Oh, my hand.
Run it up. Oh, jeez.
God, careful. There's a baby right
Dude, I almost hit a person. They do. I stopped filming. Oh my gosh.
I'm following you guys. Go. Oh, shit, this is so open.
This is such a...
Hey, there is a... Let me do it.
Oh.
He hit you. Hit him back. Double time, good.
What happened?
He's an assistant principal for high school.
Wait, what high school?
Which high school you go? Principal.
It's in a private school.
Oh.
So I'm used to being a teenage boy.
Shoot down.
Thank you for being so cool. She's cool.
Oh.
Hey, well, shoot my friend.
No, I'm doing a drive-by. I'm going on a bike and I'm like,
Ow.
Ben just got killed.
Did you get hit?
I just got clotted right in the neck, dude. Thank you. Hey, we're truce.
We're truce. We made a little truce.
Break the truth. Break it.
No.
Break it.
We're on the line.
Do it.
Right now, we gotta start on it right now.
Alright, you go that way, I'll go the other. We'll flank him.
I'm following you.
Oh my god, there's 2 bananas. Right.
Walk him.
Come on. Where's...
Oh my god, I'm in.
man, it's too much.
Hey,
Oh Jesus, that would hurt.
Hey, this is good quality right here.
You shoot my partner, I shoot you. 3, 2. No. Wait, hold on. If you're gonna do it, he's gonna shoot it. He's gonna honk
Let's
it.
start the games, brother.
Let's do it. Start the game.
Let's start the games.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Honk an air horn in the wall. We gotta get so weird, bro. We gotta get so weird.
No. We have to keep on going, bro. We have to keep on going. Gotta clean up.
Gotta clean up.
Gotta clean up.
Jameson's not gonna catch.
Kobe.
Almost.
He's done.
What?
My boys got me.
Where's Diego?
Yo, dude, slide canceled. Go. Hit up somebody. I want you. You just got shot by 3 people, bro.
Wait, my mic.
Chill.
Diego. I'm gonna need you to protect me.
Oh, you had to miss.
Slide please.
Oh. Jesus. I got all that again. I got all that. That was. Those guys are Alliance.
No, he betrayed me.
Hold on, get in the camera and then shoot him so I can get. Oh, what a shot!
Yo, I have someone's phone. Huh? Someone dropped their phone.
Where?
I'm like that, bro. It's like
Pick up bullets. Pick up the bullets.
What, you just shot a cameraman?
Down.
Tell me more.
Why? We're good. We're fine.
Yeah, we're chilling. Keep going. So that red dot side, didn't you? You got scared, didn't you? And I was like, you saw that weed. That beam, bro. You see that beam on the screen?
Dude, why do you do that? Yeah, we're filming a YouTube video right now.
No, these are random people that we met. So, I mean, y'all down to run another round?
I'm down, bro.
Did he get there? I think he missed. Glitter. Glitter. Montage. Oh my god, montage.
Dude, montage.
Montage. Slow mo. Ooh, look at slow mo into kissing. You realize?
No, Donovan.
Yeah, I'm not in the camera.
No.
Oh, look at it. Look at it. Ooh, look at it. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Look at it. Oh my god. What we about to do? What we about to do? What we about to do?
Nerf 4 in Walmart.
Are you recording right now?
I am.
No, he's not. He's just pointing the cameras at people's faces and asking what we're doing.
Oh, you cursed.
Shut up, I'll kiss you.
Remember been in them blocks, I had to go high from the